Okay, another thing I forgot to tell you guys was how to outline a font. So if we go here and just click on that text box, I just have one text box with everything in it. And then if you go to type, where's it at? Create outlines. That's how you get outlines. Now once you do this, you can't use that text tool anymore to change your text, to add any kind of word changes or anything. So make sure you get it all dialed in before you create outlines, because one thing I sometimes do is I go and so now I just did a Command Z to undo it. So I'm back to having, highlightable text. One thing you can do is grab this and do Command C, Command V, and just put this off into the side. So if at some point you do have to do a text change, it's there. And then do type create outlines. That might be the best way to go about doing it, because then you can always go back and edit from here. So that's a quick lesson on outlining font.